The capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana, is a gorgeous city that doesn't make it onto many tourists' bucket lists. While underrated, there are so many things to do here, including an amazing castle complex. Walking through the city will reveal a beautiful riverfront, incredible architecture, and a lively vibe. If you are planning a trip to Ljubljana, you will not be disappointed. I have written the perfect budget-friendly one-day itinerary so you can see the best of the city even if you are short on time. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rachel and I love creating travel itineraries to help you with your travel planning. I'm also a budget traveler and always focus on free and affordable things to do. If you are traveling to Ljubljana, this one-day itinerary will give you a good introduction of the city, but you can also easily stretch this out to 2 days and add on some museums and other attractions. Let's go ahead and get into this Ljubljana itinerary. Start the day at Ljubljana Castle. Set on a hilltop, you can walk up for about 10 minutes for free or take the funicular for a fee. There are a few different ticket options for the castle. I suggest buying the castle ticket package, which includes a return ticket on the funicular and entrance to each paid aspect of the castle. Make sure to buy your ticket online where you save 10%. Online tickets for adults are €17.10. Children 7 to 18 are $12.15. You can also save a few euros by choosing a one-way funicular ride instead. If you really want to save money, you can visit the castle and some exhibits for free. The paid exhibits include the Museum of Puppetry, the Slovenian History exhibition, the viewing tower, and the 4D virtual castle experience. The castle has a rich history dating back to the 11th century, although it was mostly rebuilt and expanded from the 15th through the 17th century. It is one of the top attractions in Ljubljana and should not be missed. After exploring the castle, walk or take the funicular back down into the city and head to the nearby Central Market. You can find a variety of things for sale, from fresh produce to clothes. There are also some unique vending machines which I thought were so cool. One sells fresh farm eggs and the other dispenses milk straight from the farm. The market also has food trucks. Next, walk along the street to the Dragon Bridge, which opened in 1901. Dragons are a symbol of Ljubljana, and this is one of many places where they make an appearance. Take a picture of the dragon statues on each end of the bridge before walking west along the river. The pretty area along the river is lined by trees and restaurants. As you walk, keep an eye out for some of the city's many sculptures. Soon you will make it to another iconic bridge. Sitting in front of a beautiful church, Triple Bridge is a pedestrian walkway. Originally one bridge built in 1842, it was later redesigned and expanded in the 1930s. The Baroque church here is the Franciscan Church of the Annunciation, which is notable for its pink color. It was originally built between 1646 and 1660, but has since been renovated a couple of times. You can enter for free, but no photos or videos are allowed. Continue following the river for a little bit and take in views of boats passing by and the castle overlooking the city. Walk until you reach Cobbler's Bridge, which was completed in 1931. Cross back over the river here and circle back north a few minutes to the town square. This street is lined by many beautiful buildings holding gift shops. This is a great place in Ljubljana to pick up some souvenirs. Now cross back over Triple Bridge and make your way to the skyscraper. This was one of the tallest buildings in Europe when it was built in 1933. On the top floor, there's a restaurant with a terrace that provides 360-degree views of the city. In theory, the view is for restaurant customers only, but I visited at 2 o'clock when it was not busy at all and no one said anything. Just be mindful of the rules. You can buy a number of treats or drinks. If you want, you can move this stop to the end of the day and enjoy cocktails with the view. It is another short walk to the next stop. The National Gallery is a large museum that houses art from the Middle Ages to modern day. The building itself is gorgeous too. A ticket to view both the permanent collection and temporary exhibitions is €12. If you want to see more art, you can walk across the street to the Museum of Modern Art. Tickets are €7. Next door is the St. Cyril and Methodius Church. Entry is free and you will love the colorful and intricate design inside. It just takes a few minutes to visit, so don't forget to add it to your list. From the church, walk through a tunnel under the street to the last stop of the day. Tivoli Park is a large green space with paths weaving through the trees, gardens, playgrounds, sculptures, and forested hiking trails. Sitting on a hill is Tivoli Castle, a mansion that holds the International Center of Graphic Arts. The park is a beautiful place to unwind after a day of exploring Ljubljana. Keep an eye out for cute red squirrels. End the day by dining on a traditional Slovenian meal, then wandering the streets and enjoying the vibe and city lights. I hope this itinerary helped you plan your Ljubljana trip. I know you will have an amazing time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you liked this video, make sure you check out my Ljubljana vlog here.